Me and Pretty Girl just made it. We're going out there. We made it. We out here. I might look at the water. Stick the sun in your face. Got it baited up. First cast. Okay, next pole. Throwing it out there. So I got 1, 2 facing, one going straight out that way, one going straight out that way. And then this one over here going straight out that way. About this. Huh? What you think about it? Beautiful. Kid you not, I'm already getting hit. Might be a catch and cook video. Not sure yet. Yep. Just learn how to see out of the water. You want to get in? One of these days we're gonna jump in. Yeah, we're gonna jump in with them. Say something. Get the phone, huh? Get the phone. Huh? So, my favorite hat flew off. Well, I'm gonna let her get her feet wet. Look at her face, y'all. You like that? You wanna do it again? You wanna do it again? Oh, hell no. Come on, do it again. Thank you now. Mamas. 1, 2, 3. You gonna jump? You gonna jump? 1, 2, 3. Jump. I did. I did. What you gonna do? Don't do it. All right, back up, back up, back up, back up. Great. Don't do it. One, two. Don't do it. think she playing. She really trying to do it. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you gonna do it? I'm just playing. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. Look, she got her leg. She ready to kick off. All right, I got you. I'm gonna do it for you. All right, hold on. Let me flip the camera. All right, come on. Come on. Do it. You done? Good job. Look at you, big girl. What you got to say to your viewers? Look, look, look. All right, mommy just got here. Would have got loads of tacos. Oh yeah, it's going down.
Mommy, get your food. Yes. Oh, my little baby. Daddy got you wet. God damn, that dog is nasty.
Don't you forget it. So, about to head out. Didn't get no bite. About to go watch some movies. Time to go.